Errors and biases can occur in all types of science research, so listen to as many dermatologists and skincare experts as possible to get a more balanced and comprehensive understanding. If you feel that any information in my presentation is inaccurate, please let me know in the comments section. My references are in the description box below, usually research articles from PubMed. Also, note that research is constantly changing, and one small clinical trial does not cover diverse populations. Individual responses to supplements and treatments vary based on genetics and other physiological factors. A study published in December 2012 found that glucosylceramides derived from rice could help improve water retention in the skin and enhance its barrier function. And in a scientific review published in November 2022, researchers identified several beneficial components in rice, including phenolic compounds, betaine, squalene, trypsin, and rice bran. These rice-derived ingredients have been shown to offer various benefits, such as anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, skin whitening, photoprotection, and moisturizing properties. Rice flour has long been a key ingredient in Asian beauty practices, particularly in Korea and Japan. Many Asian women incorporate it into their skincare routines by creating homemade masks and scrubs. Interestingly, in a study published in September 2014, researchers developed resveratrol-enriched rice using a genetic engineering technique. When the researchers tested resveratrol and rice separately, both demonstrated anti-melanogenic properties. However, when they combined them into resveratrol-enriched rice, the effects were significantly enhanced. This suggests that incorporating resveratrol into rice flour-based skincare could provide better skin whitening results than using rice flour alone. The study was conducted on guinea pig skin models, though. Human clinical trials are needed to confirm the same efficacy in human skin. Also, the study focused on UVB-induced hyperpigmentation. While this is relevant for sun-related dark spots, the results may not apply to other causes of hyperpigmentation, such as hormonal changes or inflammation. Although genetically engineered resveratrol-enriched rice is a product of scientific labs, resveratrol supplements and extracts are widely available in the natural health stores. Adding a small amount of resveratrol powder to your rice flour mask could potentially mimic some of the effects seen in the study. Here's how I make my rice flour face mask. In a bowl, I combine the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of organic rice flour, 4 tablespoons of fermented rice water, 1 tablespoon of real aloe vera gel, which I regularly buy from myherb.com. It's one of the best brands of aloe vera gel on the market based on my research. If you'd like to try it, use APT0317 at checkout. You might want to save this discount code because it has no expiry, so you can cash in on it whenever you shop on iHerb.com. 1 tablespoon of Manuka Doctor monofloral Manuka honey, which I also purchase from iHerb.com. 1 teaspoon of resveratrol from Bulk Supplements. For my DIY skincare recipes, I buy some of the ingredients from Bulk Supplements as they are cheaper. The link to the product is in the description box below. I thoroughly mix the ingredients until they form a smooth, paste-like consistency. I adjust the consistency by adding more fermented rice water or more rice flour. Next, I apply the mask evenly to my clean, dry face and leave it on for an hour while I unwind with a book or movie. When it's time to rinse, I gently wash it off with lukewarm water using circular motions. Finally, after a few minutes, while my skin is still slightly damp, I apply one of my favorite face creams to my face and neck. Right now, I'm really enjoying Meloderm. If you haven't heard of it before, I've included a link in the description box below. I do the rice flour face mask routine 2 to 3 times a week. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Jara Soriano from the Philippines. Welcome to my channel where I share my knowledge and discoveries gained from reading scientific journals and books written by doctors and natural medicine clinicians. I have a strong interest in subjects related to health and wellness, especially natural remedies, personal development, dogs, and cats. Some of my favorite books are Dissolving Illusions, Disease, Vaccines, and the Forgotten History by Dr. Susan Humphreys and Roman Bystrianic. Vitamin C, The Real Story, The Remarkable and Controversial Story of Vitamin C by Dr. Steve Hickey and Dr. Andrew Sell, and Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you're also a pet lover, somewhat health conscious, and have an insatiable thirst for new knowledge, I invite you to consider subscribing. Also, after watching this presentation, you might want to check out my ebook, 40 Wrinkle Fighters Other Than Retinol Backed by Scientific Studies. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your time. If you've learned something, kindly give this presentation a thumbs up. Feel free to send me a message. The link to my contact form is in the description box below.